Hello everyone, myself Gopal Krishna. Today I'll be sharing few tips regarding my optional medical science. This was my fourth attempt. All the four attempts I have written my optional as medical science. First of all, why did I choose medical science? Medical science, for me, like when I started my preparation in the year 2013, I had less time left with me, and then that year, optionals like public administration, sociology, they had fetched very low marks, especially like most of them had got two-digit numbers. That made me to take medical science, because in medical science it's kind of paisa vasool thing. It's very much objective. You'll get like as many marks as you write. So that is the reason why I took medical science at that point of time. First of all, I'll tell you the pros and cons of taking medical science. Pros: medical science, like as I said earlier, it's very much objective, it's very much scientific. You'll get as many marks as you write, and then you're prepared for, you're at medical science for almost more than 5.5 years. So I would say you'll be familiar with most of the topics. Even if the UPSC asks you like few questions out of syllabus, you'll be in a position to answer them. Then coming to the cons, it's very vast and very volatile. I'll tell you, like it's very difficult to write medical science on the 5th day after complete exhaustion writing your GS papers. It is very difficult to shift the language. For example, like first 4 papers you'll be writing normal English comprehension, etc., etc. But on medical science you have to write specific things, very technical language. So that is very difficult to shift. So I would say like it's always better to prepare notes for medical science so that you can revise on the gap between the GS and the medical science. Apart from this, regarding notes, I would say like since paper 1, that is the static part, can fetch you a lot of marks, I would say it's always better to prepare notes. Second part, it has become a lot of dynamic. If you see last 3-4 years question papers, you will realize that it has become more dynamic, and people who are practicing and who are good in clinics, they are getting good marks. So I would say is like you need an extra bit of preparation. For example, you can go with PG preparation books from your friends. You can just read about the differential diagnosis of the most important topics in medical sciences. That will give you like a lot of marks. Apart from this, what I can say, some of the things which can enhance your marks is regarding the answer writing. In answer writing, you have to present it very neatly. Your handwriting should be legible. Then you should write a lot of diagrams. You should put a lot of diagrams even though it is not explicitly asked in the question. Then use color pencils. Most of us have that confusion that whether we can use color pencils or not. But I would say use color pencils as much as you can. Definitely it will fetch you very good marks. And apart from this, the most important thing I would say is most of us prepare well, most of us read the same thing, but even after that we are not scoring good marks. We are not scoring like almost equal marks. The reason is the selection of questions. Since the optional gives you that choice of questions, most of us choose different questions. You have to be very careful in selecting a question. For example, in subjects like forensic medicine and PSM, which is more of subjective compared to other subjects in medicine, I would say try to avoid these questions: forensic medicine and PSM, preventive and social medicine. Because like for example, if anything is asked regarding medicine, you can just write the causes, diagnosis and the treatment part. Whereas in case of PSM, they'll be asking a lot of things about the schemes, programs. Whereas in case of forensic medicine, they'll ask you questions on rape, suicide, hanging, etc., etc. There the subjectivity comes into play. So I would say pick objective questions, and definitely it will fetch you good amount of marks. That's it. Thanks for listening. Hope it help you guys. Subscribe and keep watching Delhi Knowledge Track. Thank you.